the Kakapo flightless parrot of New Zealand. The Kakapo, or night parrot, is a peculiar and critically endangered bird native to New Zealand. What sets it apart is its large size, nocturnal lifestyle, and the fact that it is the world's only flightless parrot. With a penchant for climbing trees and exhibiting endearing behaviors like boom and chinging during courtship, the Kakapo has captured the attention of conservationists worldwide. Intensive conservation efforts aim to protect this quirky bird and its unique features, underscoring the importance of preserving biodiversity and the fascinating adaptations that can emerge in isolated island ecosystems. Subscribe me for more of this kind of content.